Welcome to Chapter 4 of AI Economics Blueprint, Navigating the Future of Innovation and Wealth. Today, explore how AI is redefining work, shifting career landscapes, and opening new opportunities. While AI automation raises concerns about job displacement, it also creates innovative roles requiring new skill sets. Dive into the data and strategies that will help businesses and workers thrive in this transformation. Section 1: AI and Job Displacement, Fact versus Fear. Visual graph showing World Economic Forum statistics. 85 million jobs eliminated versus 97 million new jobs by 2025. A major concern is job displacement. AI is automating repetitive tasks, but history has shown that technological revolutions create more jobs than they eliminate. Let's examine the most affected industries. Table: Jobs at risk due to AI automation. A McKinsey report predicts that by 2030, nearly 50% of today's work activities could be automated. Section 2: The Rise of AI-Augmented Jobs. Visual: Split screen showing traditional jobs on one side and new AI-driven roles on the other. While some jobs are disappearing, AI is creating new opportunities that require data fluency and human-AI collaboration. Table: Emerging job categories in an AI-driven world. AI-related job postings have surged by 74% annually in the U.S. since 2019, according to LinkedIn. Section 3: How businesses are adapting. Visual: Employees undergoing AI training in a corporate setting. Forward-thinking companies are reskilling employees to work alongside AI. 1. Amazon, investing $700 million to train workers in AI-enhanced logistics. 2. Google, AI training programs to boost employee productivity. 3. Siemens, AI-powered factories where workers manage automation instead of performing repetitive tasks. Visual bar graph: Workforce reskilling investment by industry 2023-2030. 1. Tech industry, 150. 2. Manufacturing, 80 billion. 3. Finance, 60 by. 4. Retail and services, 45 billion. Section 4: AI and remote work and digital nomadism. Visual: People working remotely using AI-powered collaboration tools. AI is fueling remote work, making location-independent careers more viable. AI-powered tools include: 1. AI scheduling assistants. Clockwise Reclaim.ai. Optimize calendars for productivity. 2. AI-based collaboration. Zoom AI summaries, Slack AI. Automate meeting notes. 3. AI-powered freelancing. Upwork AI tools. Fiverr AI analytics. Match freelancers with ideal projects. A 2023 Stanford study found that AI-enhanced remote teams were 32% more productive than traditional office teams. Section 5: Education and upskilling, preparing for the AI economy. Visual: Online AI learning platforms and university AI courses. To remain competitive, individuals and businesses must prioritize lifelong learning. Here are top AI upskilling initiatives. Table: AI upskilling initiatives. Finland is setting an example by offering free AI education programs for all citizens. Section 6: Ethical challenges of AI in employment. Visual: Headlines on AI hiring bias, job surveillance, and worker rights. AI in the workplace raises ethical concerns. 1. AI and hiring bias. Amazon's AI recruitment tool discriminated against female applicants due to biased training data. 2. Algorithmic work surveillance. AI tracking employee productivity in real time. Ethical or invasive? 3. AI-driven job displacement. How do we ensure fair transitions for affected workers? Governments and organizations must establish ethical AI guidelines. Section 7: Government policies on AI and employment. Visual: Government officials discussing AI policies. Governments are enacting policies to regulate AI's impact on employment. 1. EU AI transparency laws. Companies must disclose AI hiring decisions. 2. U.S. AI Workforce Readiness Act. Federal funding for AI education. 3. China's AI talent strategy. State-sponsored AI training programs. Striking a balance between innovation and worker protection is key. Conclusion: Thriving in the AI-powered workforce. Visual: A future workplace where humans and AI collaborate. AI is not replacing workers, it is redefining work itself. To thrive in this AI-powered economy: 1. Invest in lifelong AI education and training. 2. Leverage AI tools to enhance productivity and creativity. 3. Advocate for ethical AI policies in workplaces. The transformation is already underway. The question is, are you ready to be a part of it? Closing screen. Subscribe for more insights on AI and the future of work.